Hey guys, so today we're going to be converting this Blackboard that I got at Thrift City into a key and mail organizer. So I started by just wiping down the board and prepping it to be painted by covering the chalkboard. To paint the frame, I just used this cream color spray paint. It's a gloss finish and I just did one coat of it. Next, I got this basket at Dollar Tree and I'm just going to cut it using my scissors into 2 equal portions. I didn't show the next step here, but I did go ahead and spray paint both of these halves with the same cream spray paint that I used to paint the frame of the Blackboard. Next, I added 2 soft tooth hangers to the back of the board and I just nailed it in with a nail and hammer. So the Blackboard, even though I wiped it down, was still looking a little messy. So I went ahead and got this chalkboard paint from Hobby Lobby and I'm just going to do 1 coat of this just to freshen up the board. And I'm going to tape off all the edges so that I don't get any chalkboard paint on the edges or on the frame. So I only painted half of the chalkboard, and on the other half I'm going to put this cork board that I had left over from another project that I've done. So I'm just going to cut however much I need, and using a glue gun I'm going to glue it down. The edges of the corkboard were a little rough and jagged, so what I decided to do was use this lace ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a border around the corkboard so that you don't see any of the imperfections. After that, I went ahead and did a second coat of the chalkboard paint using my foam brush. So while the second coat of paint is drying, I got these cup hooks from Walmart and I'm just going to add about 5 to the bottom of the board where my keys and other things can hang. So I just eyeball this part. I started at the center and worked my way out, and you just twist the cup hooks in with your hand. It's really simple. So next, after my baskets had dried, I went ahead and got some wooden dowels, measured them and cut them to the length of the basket, and then I'm going to glue them for support. So I used my E6000 glue to put on either side of the dowel on the ends, and then I glued it to my basket. So next it was time to glue the baskets to the Blackboard. So I just elevated my Blackboard by putting 4 even baskets underneath it, so it's elevated. And then I'm putting the E6000 glue on the side of the basket as well as on the side of the Blackboard. And I'm just going to glue it there and let it dry overnight. So the next day the glue has dried, and now I'm just going to add screws to give extra support to these baskets, because after all they are just plastic and I don't want them to fall off. So I started by just drilling in the holes, making sure not to drill through the entire Blackboard. So I just drilled a little bit enough into the plastic but not through the board, and then just drill in your nail. So I found this really cute welcome sign at Hobby Lobby, and I had thumbtacks at home, and then I just went ahead and spray painted these two shades, one of gray, and I mixed it with silver just to match my board. So I went ahead and glued the welcome sign using my glue gun, and I added the thumbtacks as well. And I found these really cute Blackboard labels at Dollar Tree, and I just added one to each of the baskets. So I love how this mail and key organizer turned out. It cleared up a lot of the mess that used to be on our kitchen counters, so I think it's super practical and it was budget friendly. So let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't done so already, be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week with another video, God willing. Thanks, bye!